In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage cross-references, read-only, in InCopy workflows. If you're editing stories that come from InDesign, chances are the cross-references were created by the layout team. Your job in InCopy is to view them, update them when content changes, adjust how they look, or remove them when they're no longer needed, all without changing the destinations themselves. Start by opening the Cross-References panel. Go to Window, then type in Tables, and choose Cross-References. This panel is your command center. You'll see every cross-reference listed, each with an icon indicating its status. A clean check means all is well. Unresolved or missing destination icons tell you the link can't find what it points to. Common if the target paragraph was deleted or renamed upstream. Out-of-date signals that the target text changed and your reference needs refreshing. An overset text warning means the source text doesn't fully fit in its frame. Hover over any icon to read a short description of what's going on. When content changes, like a heading update, a shifted page number, or a chapter renaming, you'll want to refresh the links. Select one or more cross-references in the panel, then use the Update button, choose Update Cross-Reference from the panel menu, or go to Type, Hyperlinks and Cross-References, Update Cross-Reference. If the destination moved to a different page, the reference will pull in the new details as soon as you update. Keep in mind, updating clears any local manual styling applied directly to the cross-reference text. It reverts to the defined formatting, which helps maintain consistency across the document. If you need to adjust how a reference appears, select it in the panel and choose Cross-Reference Options. Here you can change the format, perhaps switching from a full paragraph reference to a page number-only display, or tweak the styling to match editorial guidelines. This affects only how the reference looks and what information it shows. It never changes the destination itself. Finally, when a reference is no longer needed, select it in the Cross-References panel and click the Delete icon, or choose Delete Hyperlink Cross-Reference from the panel menu, then confirm. The linked text converts back to plain text, removing the live connection. If you change your mind, you can undo immediately. That's it. With the Cross-References panel, you can confidently monitor status, update links as content evolves, fine-tune appearance, and remove outdated references, keeping your InCopy stories clear, accurate, and in sync with the layout.